Hey guys, what's up? I'm Chris, and today I'm doing a grocery haul, vegan on a budget grocery haul, and I went to Bargain Grocer. I like to go here as often as I can, but I only get here probably once or twice a month because it is like an hour away, but the savings for me are worth it. It's the kind of store that they get different products in, and then they kind of give back to the community. So they have a lot of things that are really cheap, but they don't have like regular products in. They just get whatever they get in. Sometimes a lot of the products are close to expiration, but a lot of the times they're still good. And I've been able to find so many awesome vegan products there throughout the couple years I've been going there. I did a video there a couple years ago and I interviewed the owner. Today I actually saved a ton of money. I'll show you what I got there. I ended up adding everything up. I spent $98, and everything normally would have come to about $315, give or take. So I saved a ton. Now the products that I got a bunch of, don't worry, I didn't clean the shelves out. There's still a lot there. These products are like stocked, like tons and tons and tons of them. For example, chow cheese, I got a bunch of those, 99 cents each. I got a bunch of the Sweet Earth meals, which, I mean, I'm sure you can definitely eat for cheaper on a budget, but if you compare that to like going out to dinner, you're really saving. These are convenient meals. Throw them in the oven or the microwave. Normally they're like $5, $6, $7, but here they were $2 a piece. So there's a lot of deals here, and I grabbed a crate of bananas because I do freeze them and make smoothies, and they last me a while. So I got a whole crate of bananas for only $9. From what I gathered, there's other grocery stores around the country. I know some people have told me about one that's very similar called Grocery Outlet. I don't know where those are located. I think there's some in California, but where I am, I only know about this one, and it's, like I said, it's about an hour away from me. So when I go there, I stock up on, I usually bring a cooler with me, and the frozen stuff I just throw in there and get my stuff. Without further ado, let's get right into the video and check it out. Okay, this is my trip. I get all these at Bargain Grocer, $2 per meal, and they're still really good. So let's start putting stuff in here that we got. We got some holy veggie. We got some of these tofurkey things. They were only $1.99, so I grabbed a bunch of those. Kite Hill I got last time. We got some Kite Hill sour cream, 50 cents. Okay, I want to put some of these in the refrigerator. Okay, that was $1.50 for Follow Your Heart cheese. We got Miyoko's mozzarella, was only $1.50, so I got a couple of those. Put that in the freezer. $3 for this Amy's meal. I'll put these down here, actually. This is a new one that they had today. Cauliflower mac, the bulgogi, that's good too. But the butter chicken, I got a bunch of those for $2 each. As you can see, I got a bunch of those. The pico, they had fresh pico de gallo, and it was only 50 cents. So I got 3 of those. I got a bunch of it because it's good. Chow cheese, 99 cents for one of these. I made a mistake last time, and I put some of them in the freezer. Don't do that. It ruins it, so don't put it in the freezer. It's really good like this. So these are going to go in the refrigerator, and I got a bunch of them, as you can see. Miyoko's butter, that can go in the freezer. The Miyoko's butter was $2, and then we got a ton of these burritos. I don't know if this one feels like it got opened. I don't know if I'll eat that one. Steakless ranchero, $1 per burrito. So I've got, there's another steakless one, pizza. So bunch of burritos for only $1. Tattooed Chef burrito, $1. Amy's Pizza, love this pizza. This was $4. The package is kind of ripped apart, but it's still good. So I actually got a few of those. And then this was also $4, which is normally like $8 or $9 where I live. So put that up there. And then we have the same brand. We got the Texan, same $4. So $2 a piece, $2 for a meal. That's pretty awesome. I found 2 more of these, 2 more of the buttered chicken, which should go up there. And that's looking pretty good on that top shelf. Also, they have, I didn't get any today, but they have Oatly ice cream, and they're only 99 cents. So I stocked up, I got a ton of those. I actually went over to my parents and I dropped a bunch of them off for my mom and dad. Then this thing is the plant-based chicken Parmesan bowl. This right here was $3, so just throw that in there. And they always have some deals on this. This was $3 for these veggie barbecue nuggets. We'll throw these down here. I got this pizza last time too. I didn't buy this today, but got that. And then these are things that I'm gonna go put in my refrigerator. But the Kite Hill, yes, 50 cents for Kite Hill sour cream. See what else I got in that food haul. You guys remember my Expo West video? This is the bag right here that was so hard to get. We've got some oat milk. It looks like that's from Target. I got some garlic. I always have to, garlic. And then some sunflower seeds. These are only 50 cents. And I grabbed these and I actually put them in the dog's food. We have some vegan friendly conditioner. Now this right here, it's still a deal on this, but when I first went there a couple months ago, it was only $2, and then it went up to $3, and now it's $4. So they have more than just food. This Ripple, I'm not really a huge fan of Ripple, but this was only 99 cents. And then I got a couple, nice ripe avocados for 50 cents each. And then these original Boca burgers, I think these were $3. $3 for the Boca burgers. And then we have one more bag over here. 99-cent barbecue sauce, Tom's barbecue sauce. Never tried it, but it was only 99 cents. The box is all bent, but the perfect Fiesta burger, $3, Dr. Prager. Try that out. Native Andean potato chips. These were $1.50, so I decided I'll give these a try. Some snack food, with hummus or a pico or something. These Stacy's chips, which I looked into these back in the day when I did a video at Costco. I called them up to see if their sugar was processed through bone char or not, and they would not give me an answer. But on the back right now, it says the sugar is organic, so it is vegan sugar, in case that would be a deciding factor for you. And then other than that, I got some aluminum foil around the house it was 50 cents. And that's it. I also got a package in the mail today. Dr. Greger's new book, How Not to Age. Thank you, Dr. Greger. And that's how you shop on a budget as a vegan. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what else you want to see me do. And stay safe. Watch out for zombies. See you guys next time. That's you.